Hello, Scriven Hecht with Highmark Construction. We're at the Pope's house today. It is 8064 Woodholm. Today it's 63 degrees. It's April 9th, 2024. We're going to be replacing this wind damaged shingle right here. As you can see, it's about to be torn off. We're going to replace it with the same like, kind, and quality. Let's get started. Out. Just want to point out some fail points already. Tearing of the shingle, slight creasing coming through it. Slight creasing going through there. Let's continue. Using our handy dandy roof snake, put these nails back in.
How's it going? So if you come here, you can see with the roof snake, it doesn't drive the nails all the way in.
Still leaves a bit of a gap. They're not gonna seal down. So you have to go in and lift them up just a little bit. Hammer them down. I don't know if you can see, but as we hammer, there's just tons of granules coming off. You can see there's creasing going through the shingles right here. We'll take some photos to highlight them. There's tearing of the shingle. And you can just see all the granules coming off.
It's showing up in the video.
Is it?
Yeah.
Good.
Well, do that again one more time. Yeah, your camera's nice. It's getting it.
And you can see just all the disturbed granules with our writing. They're all falling off. I'm going to deem this a fail. If you have any questions or concerns, you can email or call Matt Thomas. Thank you very much. Have a great day.